Let's review how to use icons accordion on the Help section of Toolkit.law. Select the Help section. Then click on the Icons Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here you will find a complete guide to every symbol used across the platform. You'll see icons like the equals button for generating results, the delete icon for clearing entries, the email icon for sharing outputs, and the suites icon gives you location-specific options for the Toolkit.law suite that is relative to your current location. Each icon is displayed with a clear explanation so you always know what action you're taking, whether you're running calculations, downloading documents, or sharing client-ready files. Toolkit.law uses these consistent symbols to ensure you never have to relearn workflows as you move from tool to tool. This guide helps you navigate Toolkit.law's 1,500+ tools with speed, accuracy, and confidence. That's how you use the icons accordion on Toolkit.law.